Level 2 Further Maths Practice Paper 1. Okay, so we've got the formula page. Question 1. X is an integer such that 6 is less than 3x and 3x is less than or equal to 20. Write down all the possible values of x. So 6 is less than 3x. 2. X must be greater than 2. And 3x is less than or equal to 20. So x must be less than or equal to 20 over 3, which is 6 2/3. So x can be 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Given that -1 is less than n, which is less than 2, state a value of n for which n squared is greater than 1. Doesn't say it has to be a whole number, so n 1.1, anything greater than 1. 1 divided by n is greater than 1, so 1. So n must be somewhere between 0 and 1, so let's go with n 0.5. Anything in the negatives, so let's go with negative 0.2. Question 2. A function f of x is defined as f of x equals 3 from 0 to 2. So we're thinking a straight line there. X plus 1 when it's 2 to 4. And 9 minus x from 4 to 9. Draw the graph. Okay, so f of x equals 3. It's a horizontal line from 0 to 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the two ends of my line, there and there, join those up, nice straight line. And 9 minus 4 equals 5, and 9 minus 9 equals 0. So the two ends of my line, so overlap there, and at 9 it's down to 0. Forgive my crooked lines, I do not have a ruler. The range of f of x, range is the y values, so we go from 0, and it's equal to that, up to 5 is the highest y value. Diagram shows a tree of height 18 meters and a mast on level ground. The mast is about to fall over, pivoting about its base. Could it hit the tree? So this length here must be less than the mast. So I need to know the height of the mast, and that has to be less than 35 meters. It's similar triangles because they have the same angles, same 3 angles, so similar triangles. So 30 times something equals 65, and 18 times A equals the mast. So A equals 65 over 30, which is 2 5/30, which is 2 1/6. So 18 times 2 1/6 is 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 1/6 is 3, so 39. The mast is 39 meters, and it will hit the tree. Hit the tree as 39 is greater than 35. Question 4. Simplify fully, so 12 is 4 times 3, which is 2 root 3. 48 is 3 times 16, so 16 times 3, which is 4 root 3. Root 3 over root 3, so those are going to cancel out. 2 over 4 is 1/2, so that's 1/2. Write down the value of that, so expanding the brackets for 4b, root 6 times root 6 is 6. Root 6 times root 2 is root 12. Minus root 2 times root 6, which is root 12. And root 2 times root 2 is 2. It's negative times positive, so it's negative 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Root 12 minus root 12 is 0. So they cancelled out. Sketch the graphs of x squared plus y squared equals 4. So that is 2 squared. So it's a circle with a radius of 2. Forgive my circle. And 2x plus 1 equals y, so it's got a gradient of 2 and a y-intercept of 1. On your graph, shade the region that satisfies both of the inequalities. X squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 4, so that's inside the circle, in the circle. And y is greater than, so that's above line. And less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, so it's a solid line, so we shade inside the circle but above the line.